Hi, in this video today I'm going to show you how you can screen mirror between your Android phone and the new Samsung 2024 model TV. This phone is a Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus, but the same will apply to other Android models as well. So we're going to scroll down from the top using two fingers, and you need to move around until you find something called Smart View. This one here, and it's looking for devices it can connect to. Right now it's picked up my TV, which is a 55-inch Crystal UHD. I'm going to tap on it, and then you have to press start now, and after a little while it's going to come up on the TV. The first time you do this you might have to enter a code. I didn't have to because my phone was already connected to my TV via SmartThings. It actually takes quite a while to connect, even if you've done it previously. There you go, but you can see it's come through now. Might be useful if there's an app that you want to play on your TV, but you can't get on your app, but you can't get on the TV, or if you want to share your photos. So let's just go over to photos here, and you can see here that scrolling through here, you can see what they look like on the big screen. Other options we can do if you were to watch a movie or something and you want to darken your phone screen, we have a little Smart View little icon here, and if we tap on the right hand side of that, you can go to darken phone screen, and you can see it's still on the TV up here, but the screen here is now dark. We swipe just to get back into this again. If you don't like this little icon, you can tap on the left hand side and it will move out here. If you want to get back again, there's a little bar here that you're just going to move out and it will come back. Once you're done with your mirroring, you can just tap on this and go to disconnect, and then your phone's back to normal and your TV's back to normal. Nice and straightforward. Thanks for watching.